Alright folks, today we're looking at a 2010 Lexus GS 460, I think. If you look at the dash over here, notice how we do not have the check engine light. Look at this down here. Look at those can lines. We're good there on the can. Now, I'm going to show you. If we come over here and we unplug this connector, gonna have to go around and get to that. I'll record back in a second, guys. All right, guys, if you look over there, let's see if we can get it to focus. We got the engine light on with this fourth connector down unplugged. So I think we got something shorting out that 5-volt ref.
It also helps when you ask questions and you get feedback while you're looking shit up.
All right, guys, we are at 2 volts here. We come over here, we unplug that sensor right here. Take a look. So now we're gonna have comms, and we just gotta switch out that sensor.